In this video, I'll detail how to mirror Apple Watch to iPhone. So, if you have an Apple Watch as well as an iPhone and you want to mirror your Apple Watch screen to your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to mirror Apple Watch to your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone control center. On the control center, locate Apple Watch mirroring. So if this is not available here, just press and hold the control center like this, click on add a control and search for Apple Watch mirroring. You see that under motor accessibility, click on this to add it to your iPhone. Once added, click outside, then go ahead and click on Apple Watch mirroring. Then it should say pop like this. Go ahead and type in your Apple Watch passcode. Then after the hang on, then you should see your iPhone and Apple Watch mirrored together. Then once mirrored, to use your Apple Watch on your iPhone, just press it like this, like that, then like this. So like this, swipe down. You can also use the control center, click on it once. It's going to go to the control center on your Apple Watch. Click on settings on your Apple Watch like this. It's going to open, then swipe up or use the digital crown to scroll up. You see that? Like this. So that is basically how you can easily mirror your Apple Watch to your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.